Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to download and install the Trust Wallet inside your Windows PC with a new method. So let's get started. Guys, before starting the video, if you are new here, make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. While we upload a new video, you should be the first one to get its notification. Guys, because every day we are uploading different kind of videos about cryptocurrency mining and other cryptocurrency market updates. Guys, don't forget that I've newly created a new channel by the name of Intocrypto. Come here and subscribe it if you want to learn the tech guides. So guys, for installing the Trust Wallet inside your Windows PC, so I have to open up a new tab and type LD player. So once you are here, so simply click on LD player. You can see ldplayer.net. You can download the LD player 9 or LD player 5. So LD player 9 is currently the latest version, so simply I will click on this to start download. So click on start download. So the size of this LD player is around 3 MB. So wait for it until it should be completed. Once the download is completed, click on open to launch the installation. So guys, here is the LD player. So simply click on install button, there accept with the terms and service of LD player and click on accept. Again click on accept. So now it is downloading the size around 600 MB of LD player on your Windows PC. So wait for it until it should be completed. So guys, once the LD player requirements is successfully downloaded, so here is the start button. So click on the start to open the LD player. So guys, here it is, the LD player successfully opening. So don't do anything so until it should be opened. So here it is guys. So click on allow access to access the LD player on Windows PC. So guys, after the installation is completed, you have to restart your PC. So again, coming back to the LD player, so simply double click to open the LD player on your Windows PC. Once the LD player opened, you will see a tablet mode view. So you can easily install the different kinds of application, Android application or iOS application. And here it is guys, the LD player is successfully opened. So you can install different kind of applications inside the LD player on Windows PC. So guys, if you want to install the Trust Wallet inside the LD player on Windows PC, so simply click on this option to search for the Trust Wallet. So simply here type Trust Wallet and hit enter. Once you are here, so simply you will see that you will be able to required sign in to Google Play. So simply click on the sign in option. Now here you will be able to checking the info. So simply you have to enter your password, your email address and the password to log into your Gmail account. And here it is guys. So simply click on the skip option here. Again click on I agree. Now click on accept option. Again here you can see guys, the Gmail is connected with the Google Play. So simply I will again press enter to search for the Trust Wallet. So here it is guys, the Trust Wallet. Simply click on the install button to start downloading the Trust Wallet inside the LD player on Windows PC. So guys, once the Trust Wallet is successfully installed on the LD player, so simply click on the open option. And here it is guys, you will be able to access to Trust Wallet inside your Windows PC on LD player. And here it is guys, you can create a new wallet on LD player on Trust Wallet. So and the another option is I have already a wallet. So simply again you can click here and click on I accept the terms and service. Click on the continue. Again here you will be able to set a password. For example, I will type 456789. Again type the password, and here it is guys, that you will be able to enter the wallet of your wallet inside the LD player using the Trust Wallet. Here click on multi-coin wallet, and here you have to enter your phrase and click on the import. So guys, it was about how to install the Trust Wallet inside Windows PC. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If the video was useful, thumbs up the video, share your nice comments in the below down comment section, and thanks for watching. God bless you. I will catch you in the next one.